What's the meaning of componential analysis? Componential analysis. Componential analysis.
Componential analysis. Componential analysis. Componential analysis is a linguistic approach that breaks down the meanings of words into smaller components known as semantic features. These features are used to create a set of rules for defining the meaning of words. The result of componential analysis is a list of features that are believed to be universal among all languages, which can be used to compare and contrast the meanings of words across different languages. By understanding the underlying semantic structure of language, linguists can gain insights into how people think and communicate.